In this video, we will learn how to duplicate an invoice from existing invoices. We'll explore two straightforward approaches: direct duplication from the invoices list and duplication through the invoice details page. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Invoices section. First, I'll demonstrate how to duplicate an invoice directly from the list of invoices. Hover over the Options icon and then click Duplicate Invoice. You'll be navigated to the Invoice Details page, where you can edit many fields based on your needs. Click the Save and Issue button to finish duplicating the invoice. Let's verify that the invoice has been duplicated. Success! Now, I'll duplicate an invoice by accessing its designated details page. Click on the invoice ID that you wish to duplicate. This will take you to the invoice details page. Locate the More button and then click Duplicate Invoice to initiate the duplication process. Just like in the first method, you can edit anything on the invoice details page. Let's save and issue to finish the duplication process. Congratulations! We've successfully duplicated the invoice in two distinct ways, each requiring only a few simple steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.